Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to merge table in Excel without duplicates. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So in this first data I have a product ID 12345 and the second data I have a product ID 34678. It means 34 is a duplicate in both data. So here I'm going to merge this both data without duplicate. So let's see how it's done. First, convert this data in table. So I select here the first one cell in this data and press the Control T, convert this data into table. Here you can see the create table dialog box is open. Click on OK and here you can see your data is converted into table. Same as for second. Select the inside the cell, press the Control T and click on OK to convert this data into table. After that, click on the table 1, go to the table design. In properties group, in table name, edit here the table name. So I enter here table 1. For second, go to the table design, enter table 2. Okay. So that's it. So both table name is changed. Okay. After that, click on the table 1, go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option and click on the from other sources, click on the from table or range. Okay, here you can see the Power Query editor will open for table 1. Okay, after that, just go to the home tab and click on the close and load. Okay, and you can see the Power Query editor data is loaded in Excel. Same for the second table. Go to the data, get data, click on the from other sources, click on the from table or range, and here the Power Query editor open for table number 2. Okay, go to the home tab and click on the close and load. So you can see the table 2 also load in Excel. Okay, so now just go to the table 1 and here in queries and connection, just double click on the table 1 and you can see the Power Query editor is open again. Okay, now you can see that both table is showing table 1 and table 2. So here I'm going to merge the both data. I select here the first table 1, then go to the home tab in combined group. Click on the append queries. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the first option. And here the one dialog box is open, append. Okay, the concatenate rows from the two tables into a single tables. Select here the two tables because you have two tables. Okay, we have two tables. And if you have a 3 or more tables, you can select here the second option. Okay, and table to append. So current table is a 1. I want to merge in table 2. Okay, so both table I'm going to merge. So select here the second table. After that, just click on the OK and that's it. You can see the both table is merged. Now I'm going to remove these duplicate values from this table. So I select the first column and hold control keys and select the second column also. Okay, then go to the home tab. In the reduce rows group, click on the remove rows drop down arrow. Then click on the remove duplicates and that's it. You can see the duplicates values is removed. Okay. After that, go to the home tab and click on the close and load. And that's it. Here you see your data without duplicates. Okay, so here you can easily merge your tables without duplicates in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.